a tutorial for how to add video effects or visual effects to a clip in your timeline in Final Cut Pro. This is going to be a series of Final Cut Pro tutorials. This is like the third one, so check out my other ones. There'll be a card up in the top right hand corner of the screen now. Now I've just imported a clip from when I went to an abandoned Nike missile silo in Wenham, or Topsfield, Mass., and now I want to add an effect to it. So what you can do is you can do Command 5. This is going to bring up the effects panel. No matter what configuration you have your panels in, it's always going to bring up the effects panel. And now you have a list. You have, all 360 effects. This is just for doing 360 video, and it won't work very well on low-powered computers. So I wouldn't even go into that tab unless you want Final Cut Pro to crash. And you have all your basic stuff like this. It's very easy. So say I want to add, let's see, something that's not going to make this look terrible. Say you want to add a time code, because this is kind of a creepy clip. Say you want to add a time code. Well, simply you just drag it on to the clip. Make sure that it's gray like this. You drag that, and now obviously whatever visual effect you will have, it'll be like that. And then you go to the top right hand corner here, and then you'll see this little film strip icon right here. I think you're automatically on the information tab whenever you import a new clip, but you want to go to the film strip icon here, and now you can do whatever controls you have, and you can add as many clips as you want. So say I also wanted to add colorize this, add a colorizer effect. I can then also edit all of this here, and obviously it's a very, very basic it's a very, very basic, easy way. Whatever effect you want to have on this, you can just edit it right from here. If you no longer want the effect, you can either uncheck it, or you can do you can just press the delete key, or if you just want to disable it to see what it would look like without, you can just do the uncheck button. Anyways, if you guys have enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. I do videos like this a lot. On the screen now, you'll see a little box that says Final Cut Pro Tutorials, or FCP Tutorials. I forgot what to name my playlist. That is a very short list of videos of short tutorials on Final Cut Pro. If you're new to the software, I would really highly suggest watching it, because it can be tricky at times. Believe me, I've been using this for years. It was really difficult for me at the start, but I'm a pro now. Anyways, subscribe for more. See you next time.